Alrighty, YouTubers, happy Monday. Hopefully everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. We have a huge Christmas cash product giveaway courtesy of VipPon. Link is going to be down below. Enter now. They got it going on until the 11th. So yeah, a few days to get a chance to win $3,000 plus product giveaway. So all you got to do is log in. You got to sign up right here. Enter your info, do some posts to get points. You could do DO videos, and then right here it says enter to win. I already entered today, so I lost, but you guys could get a chance. And you just gotta say, click on this one right here, the muscle massager. You can win that one, and if you don't win it, you'll have a code that enters for a certain percentage off. And I'll show you. Let's see. That one. You save $6.99 and then enter to win. Should pop up. Better luck next time. Okay, so I didn't win that one. But for the main prize, you go up here, click on that, and you go spin a Rooney. See, I already did my one for today. But you can keep coming back every other day. Prize money will be paid net of transaction fees. PayPal may charge some fees. So when you win, you will win into your PayPal, and then you can spend your money on yourself or a family member. But here's a great chance to start the new year off right, courtesy of VipPon. So 2,000 first prize, and then 500, 100, $3,000. So you better start now, guys. It's gonna go fast. You got about 4 days. Just started today, so good luck to everybody who enters. And click the link down below. You guys be safe. Have a good day. See you soon.